Hey everyone, this is Pritham, and today we have made an update in our course. Okay, that is the complete Etabs course from zero to hero. As you know, all of you know that I have launched this course on Udemy platform, but there is an update for you that I have made this course free for you all on your demand for this course, as many of you are commenting on this. Commenting that sir, make this course free on YouTube. So I have made this course, that is the complete ETAPS course from zero to hero, free on YouTube, over which we are going to take about six different models, that is G plus 8 story residential apartment building, G plus 4, G plus 3 story, G plus 2 story. All this will be covering in our ETAPS model. Okay, and this course is based on the complete modeling analysis and design in ETABS over all the six models, and this is based on the as per the Indian Standard course, and as per the latest updates of 2026 this course has been launched. And this course covers carries out the structural analysis and design of a real world projects. We have taken here as the six models. So basically these are divided into 10 sections. The sections in which we are able to see that these six different models th- of basically like section 1 as the introduction to ETAPS. Here we will be see what is ETAPS, and the steps of it, steps of modeling analysis and design of a building in ETAPS. Then after here you can see that the user interface is taken. The first of all we see what is ETAPS. Then after here we have taken six models. So every model has been divided into different section. So this is in the section 2, or this model 1. This is the introduction model. So we have taken a symmetric model here, and here we have seen how to define all the 18 steps required for the modeling analysis and design of a real G plus real building in ETAPS. Okay, so like this way our course is going to be held. It is basically I am going to make a playlist of this course, and it will be completely free. Every day I will be uploading the two lectures. There are basically 60 to 70 lectures, and it covers about 15 hours of the content, and I will be uploading each day two lectures, so you will be more familiar with this course, and you will cover every day a new topic, and you will cover about six models. Okay, so basically this model 1 will cover the define part. Here you can see that we have taken all the 18 steps, and here this in this model 1 we have taken all these 18 steps in detail. Likewise of the define the grid and the stories, define the materials, define frame section. For this particular model we have taken. Okay, so it will be based on the gravity loads first model, and it is based on the IS code that we are going to use. We are going to use all the IS codes that are being required, like the earthquake, that is the IS 1893 2016. Then the dead load, live load, that is the IS 45 IS 875 part 1 part 2. Then for the wind, that is the IS 875 part 3. We are going to take all of this code books as per wherever required in this course. Okay, and this is section 2, over which we have discussed the model 1. For every model we have completed with the modeling part first of all. Then we have analyzed, means in the modeling part also there are different steps, like the defining part, then modeling part, then we have to check, then we have to once again define for the load patterns, load combination. Then the assigning parts comes under this modeling part only. Then after the second part, that is the analysis part. In this analysis part there are basically four steps we are going to see, that is the run analysis, check deform shape, check member forces, and check reaction. This basically for the gravity load, this much are been taken, these checks are been taken as form of the analysis. And then after for this 16, 17 and 18 step we have completed with the designing part. And for each and every model, like we have taken six models, so for each and every model we are going to see for the complete designing part, and we will be making that the model as a industry ready model. For example, for the we will be checking that all the members have been passed the design check or not, and it will clarify that we have been this model is industry ready. Okay, if as per the what are the code books that we will be seeing. Okay, Then after, in this section 3, as this was the section 2, in this section 3 we will be seeing for the model 2. Basically this model will be an unsymmetric plan model. The first model will be a symmetric model, and the second model we are going to see for the unsymmetric plan model. Basically there are two ways of making a model, so we are going to see the both the ways for this section in section 3 and section 4. In this section 3 we are going to see the manual way, and for the same model 2 we will be seeing the manual way, and in the section 4 we will see for the advanced fast way. What is this manual way? In this manual way we will be seeing with the help of the grid by grid the all the details, and in this model 4 for the model 2 advanced fast way, in it we will be seeing for the how to import a to get plan to Etabs, and how to work in the fast way. Okay, we will see in this section 4. Every day I'm going to launch 2 videos. Okay, and here you can see that in this model 2 I am going to cover all these 18 steps also, and I have taken extra part in every model. I have taken some extra parts, like here as the column orientation. On the basis of that model, there are different changes, so as per that I have taken the column orientation, one way and two way slab difference, and all the how to define them, how to add them, what's the difference between them, how the column orientation works, how the local axis works. I have taken all of this concept here. Okay, in this model 2 manual way, and in this model 2 advanced fast way we have seen first of all how to import the AutoCAD plan to Etabs, and the fast way of making it. And for this advanced fast way also we have covered all these 18 steps. Okay, and then after in the section 5 we have seen for the till here till section 4 you will be clarified with the what is Etabs and how it actually works, and you will be much more familiar with these Etabs. And after this model 4 you will be making your own models. Okay, in the section 5 for the we will seeing for the staircase in Etabs, there are basically three types of the staircase. We will be seeing, that is the dogleg staircase, then the spiral staircase, circular staircase. Okay, after that we will seeing for this model 6, in it we will be seeing for a staircase part also here. And in this section 6 we will be seeing for this model 4, which will be a G+8 story residential apartment building in Etabs. Basically this is basically in it we are going to see for the all the 18 steps and the additional steps also, whatever required for this G+8 story building. This G+8 story is a real world building that I was working on it. So basically that I have taken this here for an example of this model 4, where we have covered this G+8 story residential apartment building. Here we have seen for the first of all we have seen the how to do the AutoCAD plan discussion. Then we have seen how to model, analyze and design. We have seen the complete designing part also for this model 4. And then after in this section 7 we have seen for this model 5, which is the G+3 story residential building in Etabs. Basically in it we have seen for the different types of the different building, which where we have taken the AutoCAD plan and imported it. And then after we have seen for the secondary beam in this G+3 story, the secondary beam concept has been came, so we have added here the secondary beam concept and seen how to add them, how to define them, then how to release the moment in the secondary beam. And then after we have seen all the 18 steps, we will be covering that, which are the defining, modeling, assigning, analysis and design for this G+3 story. Same way for this model 6 also we are seeing for the G+4 story building. Here we will see all the main steps that are been covering. Okay, all the 5 steps, that is the defining, modeling, assigning, then analysis and design. This above 3 are comes under the modeling part. Okay, we take it in the form of the modeling. So after that in the section 8 we will be seeing for this advanced part on this G+4 story building. Till here that this section 7, if you are working for a small project like the G+3, G+4, G+5, at that part we don't require the earthquake and the wind analysis. Okay, so this here till here I have discussed all the concept for the gravity loads and all the code books that are being required and all the concept of the code books. So after that for the section 8 we have seen here for the advanced part, that is based on this G+4 story building only. So we will be seeing here the introduction to the lateral loads, the theory part. Then after we will see for the theory part of the earthquake, what is earthquake and why it actually happens. Then after here we have seen for the define the earthquake load, which will be based on the as per the IS 1893 2016 version. That is the this is the IS code for the earthquake analysis. Okay, Then we have seen here for the define the how to define the diaphragm, how to assign the diaphragm for this G+4 story. We will covering this in the step by step, all these models in the step by step format. Then for this advanced part, we have covered with the define the load patterns, loads, define loads like the which will be based on the IS 189 IS 875 part 3 2015. Okay, then after we have seen for the defined load combination, there are basically different load combination for this earthquake and this wind load. For this gravity loads, there are minimum as per the IS 456, we will be taking that 4 to 5 load combination. But for uh, this earthquake and the wind analysis, there are about 30 to 36 load combination differently. So we will be seeing how to apply them and what the industry uses that to buildings, means how they apply the load combination as per the building, as per the companies. Okay, we have seen for the different companies how they apply the load combination. And then after we have seen for the define the mass source. Actually this is comes under, all this comes under the advanced part in the section 8. And then after the last part that we are going to cover is the section 9, where we will be seeing for the three types of the analysis of the earthquake, that is the static earthquake analysis, response spectrum analysis, and the time history analysis. And then after we will see for the conclusion. Okay, this course will be in whole covered on this YouTube platform for free. And like this way we will be covering all our 6 different models. Okay, and basically on YouTube you will be able to see the ads. So that's why it here you will be able to see the ads. But on the Udemy, if you take this course, that is the complete Etabs course from 0 to hero, all the content that I have said you now is the same. Okay, is the same. Whatever I am going to take there, I am going to take here. Okay, but only the problem is that here you will be able to see the ads. There on the Udemy platform you are not able to see the any ads. So if you take this course on the Udemy platform, that will be about which is about the minimum price. Okay, so you will be get this course at a minimal price. There you will be not get any ad. And here I will be taking some of the this practice test. And and nothing more. And all the content whatever there is present, I will be taking here only, here also the same content. Okay, like this way our complete Etabs course from 0 to hero playlist will be played. And you will be covered with the 6 different models of the industry ready models. Okay, like this way we will be covering our complete Etabs course. That's it. And save this playlist, so you will be able to get the notified when the newest video has came. Every day we will be uploading 2 videos. And subscribe to our channel to get notified after every video has been uploaded. Like this way we have been covered with our complete Etabs course from 0 to hero, which will be based on the carry out the structural analysis and design of a real world projects. Okay, and like this way we will be concluded like this. And that's it. Stay connected. And from today we are uploading our first video. So that's it for this video. And stay connected. And if you have any doubt related to this course, or any doubt related to any topic here, why this happened, and why this has any problem here, then you can directly comment me, and I will directly reply you. Like if you have any problem, just ask me, and I will be replied you in the form of the comments. Okay, below the video. Like this way we will be cover our course. So that's it for this video. See you in our course.